Hi class, so today we're going to be learning a little bit more about US coins and playing a coin game. So to do this, we're going to need to remember how to do decimals, okay? So decimals, it's important to remember place value. So you see in that first example, you see 0.01, that red one is going to be in the hundredths place. Then in the one right below, it says 0.1, that one is in the tenths place. So this is going to be important to remember when we're learning about coins and their values, so let's remember the place value, okay? So the first coin is the penny. This is a penny. It's kind of a copper color. The penny is worth 1 cent. So 1 cent is also equal to 0.01. So that one is in the hundredths place. The next coin is the nickel. So the nickel is worth 5 cents. 5 cents is equal to 0.05. So the 5 is in the hundredths place. This is a dime. The dime is the smallest coin. The dime is worth 10 cents. 10 cents is equal to 0.10, so that 1 is in the tenths place. Our next coin is the quarter. The quarter is going to be the biggest coin that we have. The quarter is worth 25 cents, and 25 cents is equal to 0.25. So we have a 2 in the tenths place and a 5 in the hundredths place. So, how to play the coin game. First, we're going to pick a coin from a bag. In the bag, you can't see any of the coins, so we're just going to pick one coin per turn. So you're going to write the name, the value, and the decimal value on a piece of paper. So if I grab a quarter, I'm going to write quarter, then I'm going to write 25 cents, and then I'm going to write 0.25. So each time you grab a coin, write the same information about each coin and then add the value to the previous value. So if I grabbed that quarter that first time and then I grabbed a dime, I would write dime 10 cents and then 0.10, and I'd add that to my 0.25. So 0.25 plus 0.10 equals 0.35, so I'd have 35 cents. So each game will have a different value. So the first game you're going to play is going to be reaching $1. So you're going to total each of your coins so that hopefully you can get to $1. So the game is the goal of the game is to reach that value the quickest. So be sure to put the coins back after the game and don't forget to have fun. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.